Hey guys, Glenn Murray. Easy solo ads startup demo and review. Not so much of a demo because it's just a training, but I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to start making money with solo ads. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. Now, what is a solo ad? A solo ad's really simple. Basically, if let's say I want to segment 10,000 of my people on my email list, and I wanted to sell clicks to someone so they could email those people. Well, that would be a solo ad, right? You send me, let's say it's I'm going to charge $1 a click, right? So you send me $100, and I would and a link, and I would send that link to my list until you got 100 clicks on it. Now it's your as the buyer, it would be your prerogative to make a good landing page, make sure that your opt-in page is really working really well. So you'd want to test it and stuff like that. The solo ad provider just has to actually provide the clicks. Now, you're going to make more money if your clicks are really active. So if you have a buyers list, then that's even better because those are people that have already proven to be buyers. So what is Easy Solo Ad Startup? Well, it's just going to show you exactly how easy it is to get started being a solo ad seller. It's very simple. But first off, we're gonna go through my bonuses because I put some cool bonuses together for this product. This product's really inexpensive, guys. This is like $7 product training. There's some upsells on it. There's a couple of upsells. You can get a bundle of some other training. What else is on there? I think there's you can actually buy clicks through it. But anyways, I think this is a really important, if you're an affiliate marketer, to understand the back side of solo ads, because as an affiliate marketer, you will be buying solo ads at one time. So this is going to be a really simple course for you to follow, to show you how to be a solo ad startup, so you can follow it, see if you want to sell solo ads, or you can learn the behind the scenes of solo ads, so that when you're buying solo ads, you will be more informed about what you're getting. All right. So the bonuses, guys, I'm going to put this together. Basically, I'm going to give you my affiliate money machine. This is a complete business in a box. I'm going to give you the 101 fill in the blanks email subject lines bonus. I'm going to give you 100 plus full autoresponder email messages, 10 areas of online biz, because you might not just be selling all make money online. I'm also going to give you the effective content marketing bonus, and then I'm going to show you the vendors bonuses too. There's a ton of bonuses on there. You're going to get access to all of those. All right, let's pop over to sales page. So this is Michael, and he's a solo ad seller. So discover how I started a solo ad business from nothing and made my first 100,000 in less than a year. So pretty cool. So he's just going to go through everything. What you're going to get is you get 11 training videos. So you're going to get one, creating a lead capture funnel, tier one traffic. What is tier one traffic? Building a 5,000 traffic buyers network for free. Building a 5,000 traffic buyers network for free, part two. Getting traffic buyers to reach out to you. Getting traffic buyers to reach out to you, this part two. Invoicing your clients, how to prepare your clients' traffic campaigns without an email list, where to find low-cost clicks for outsourcing and make a profit on each traffic sale, following up and getting testimonials, optional, jumpstart your traffic business with this easy hack. So really simple. Plus, you're going to get free top-tier traffic bonus. You're going to get the free done-for-you solo ads copy and done-for-you graphics design. You're going to get the testimonial templates, which is really important. Your testimonials are probably the most important thing when you're selling solos. How to build a recurring solo ads business, case study on how I got 6 figures in less than 1 year, get unlimited support for free, PLR license, and marketing package. So this is also a PLR package, so you could actually buy this and just sell it, make it your own and sell it. So very cool. It's $7, $6.95. Very cool. You get all my bonuses. You're getting a ton for $7, guys. Okay, so what is the training about? Easy Solo Ad Startup will show you how to build an income machine in less than 30 minutes by using solo ads as your main traffic source, which in return can make you a lot of money. This method will simultaneously help you get you traffic buyers while building your list for free. For who is this training for? Is it beginner friendly? Yes, it's totally beginner friendly. It's for anyone who can copy and paste, guys. It's all copy. Affiliate marketing is all copy and paste, guys. Will I need to create a website? No, not at all. You have nothing to create. You just need to copy over my shoulder during the video training, and you will be set up in less than 30 minutes. Do I need to buy traffic for this to work? Of course, The course is about making profits from solo ads. In this training, I'll show you how to never spend a dime out of your pocket for traffic, which is the only solo ads program of its kind. Will I need to buy one-time offers for this to work? No, this training is all you need to succeed from this method. How much time do I need to spend on my business each day? Operating a solo ads business is super easy. You can do this within 15 to 30 minutes per day, and that includes getting traffic, clients, talking to them, and getting their money. Most of us use How Do I Get Paid? Most of us use PayPal, Stripe, Wise, Payoneer, Warrior Plus, like I do, to create our invoices and payment buttons. How can I get instant access? By clicking the button right below. So easy peasy. Again, those are the videos you're going to get, and it's $7. So let's recap. No website to create, no sales copy to write, no graphics to design, no blogging, no paid social media traffic campaigns, no crappy software, no products to create, no SEO. You get free traffic clients, you get free solo ad clicks, you build your list for free, you get affiliate sales, you build recurring income, 90% by copy and pasting, 100% scalable, 15 to 30 minutes a day. And that is it for $7. All right, guys. So that is the whole thing. Remember, my bonuses, you're going to get all those vendor bonuses. You're going to get the content marketing. You're going to get 100 full autoresponder emails. You're going to get the 101 fill in the blank email subjects. So this is like how to blank the blank. And it's in all sorts of niches. So you'll be able to like quickly write subject lines as opposed to like I do struggle every day. I'm like, oh, what am I going to write? It needs to be different. It needs to be catchy. It needs to be a hook. And of course, my affiliate money machine. So again, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I would definitely go grab this for $7. You can't go wrong. Go through the training, learn it. It's just part of think of it as your education in your affiliate marketing career. This is another tool. Like so many affiliate marketers, guys, sell solo ads on the side. It's unbelievable how many marketers that have a big list sell solo ads on the side because it's easy, right? It's a very simple thing to do. I guess that is my review of Easy Solo Ad Startup. Click the link below, grab it for $7, get my bonuses, and I will definitely see you on the inside. Oh, that's my email. What am I going there for? I want to go on here, go to this, go to this. You can see you saw behind the scenes of my email. All right, guys, again, it's been Glenn Murray. Make sure you hit subscribe, make sure you comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.